jumped in here one time. Well, I'm gonna go check on stuff that I started to work on. Oh, look like there's other Earths that arrived. Oh, look like the elements are still there where I put them like an hour ago. Not hour, but a few days ago. Yeah. Now to put all the elements where I want them. Let's go. I put all the elements into my energy tube to the other dimension. Now, all this stuff should disappear. That's all for the universe. Then the pipe should disappear. And yeah. Let me head back to Cole's universe. Cole James universe. I don't even know who universe it is anymore.